Just 20 minutes after you put out your very last cigarette, your body begins a rapid process of physiological repair. We have known for decades that smoking carries a heavy toxic burden. With every single inhalation, you pull over 5,000 chemical substances directly into your system. That chemical load systematically attacks your biology, coating your respiratory system in tar, narrowing your arteries, and reducing your skeletal bone density over time. But we aren't here to focus on the damage. Instead, we are going to trace the exact chronological timeline of how your body restores itself when you finally quit. This repair process is almost instantaneous. Your body begins resetting its internal chemistry and clearing cellular waste the moment the intake of toxins stops. The recovery starts with the cardiovascular system. At the 20-minute mark, your heart rate and your blood pressure begin to drop back toward normal levels. 12 hours later, the toxic carbon monoxide gas that has been crowding your bloodstream finally stabilizes and begins to clear. As carbon monoxide is displaced, your blood's capacity to transport oxygen is restored. By the 24-hour mark, normalized blood flow reduces physical stress on your arterial walls, decreasing heart attack risk. At 48 hours, the nerve endings inside your nasal cavity and mouth begin to recover, meaning your sense of smell and taste start to regain their original acuity. Within merely 2 days, your system has already neutralized its most immediate cardiovascular stressors and initiated the recovery of your sensory perception. At the 1-month milestone, the physical impact becomes noticeable. You will find yourself coughing less frequently and breathing with significantly less effort during physical activity. This improvement is driven by the restoration of cilia, tiny hair-like structures whose primary job is to sweep your airways clean of mucus and debris. Between the first few weeks and the 9-month mark, these cilia are fully restored and begin clearing the accumulated sludge out of your respiratory tract. With your cilia functioning again, your body is once again equipped to trap and clear pathogens, significantly lowering your vulnerability to respiratory infections. This phase marks the transition from immediate damage control to a period of active respiratory maintenance and immune fortification. The long-term milestones are even more significant. On your 1-year anniversary of quitting, your risk of developing heart disease is cut in half compared to when you were smoking. 5 years in, your blood vessels have widened and become more flexible, which dramatically reduces the likelihood of blood clots and strokes. At the 10-year mark, your risk of dying from lung cancer is roughly half that of a smoker. Your body's ability to repair mutated DNA is no longer suppressed, allowing cells to actively identify and fix genetic errors. Finally, after 15 years of cessation, your likelihood of developing coronary heart disease is essentially the same as someone who has never smoked a day in their life. Long-term cessation doesn't just stop future damage, it effectively resets your risk profile to its original state by allowing the body's natural maintenance systems to finish their work. However, the process of reaching these milestones involves navigating the chemical reality of nicotine withdrawal, which can trigger temporary anxiety and depression. Modern medicine provides several tools to manage this. Nicotine replacement therapy, like patches or gum, is designed to assist the brain through this transition. These tools satisfy your brain's nicotine receptors without introducing the thousands of toxic chemicals found in cigarette smoke, allowing you to taper off the addiction safely. When you pair these tools with support groups, exercise, and cognitive behavioral therapy, the statistical likelihood of long-term success increases significantly. While the withdrawal phase is a significant hurdle, utilizing these resources helps place your body back on a measurable trajectory toward recovery. Quitting smoking is the most effective way to restore your health over the long term. If this video helped you understand the healing process, hit the subscribe button to learn more about your body. And if you want to know what happens to your brain if you stop sleeping for 11 days straight, click the video on your screen right now. Stay curious.